Now, what is gene and genome? ये जो terminology है इसको हम frequently use करेंगे अपने coming lectures में. Genome क्या है? Genome is a complete set of DNA of an organism including all genes. और ये जो जीनोम है इसमें सारी इंफॉर्मेशंस होती हैं कि ऑर्गेनिज्म कैसे ग्रो करेगा and what capability it has to survive in the environment. And overall you can say that genome, it contains all the instructions that is very important for the development of an organism. और जो basically genome है that is composed of DNA, it is basically a chemical code that control all aspects of organism development. So we can say that DNA, it is the basic recipe of the life, and this basic recipe, which we call it as the DNA, it is made up of different building blocks, and these building blocks we are call it as the nucleotides. You may be well familiar with the basic structure of the DNA कि किस तरह की न्यूक्लियोटाइड्स इसमें होती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल इसमें प्यूरिन्स होती हैं that included guanine and adenine. इसमें दूसरा सेट जो बेसिस का होता है वो pyrimidines है that included cytosine and thymines. So basically these building blocks are the nucleotides of DNA. It is composed of nitrogenous base that is attached with a ribose sugar and at least one phosphate. For instance, cytosine, it composed of nitrogenous base that is attached with ribose sugar and at least one phosphate. So cytosine and ribose, you are well familiar as a postgraduate student that they constitute the nucleoside, and nucleoside when attached with phosphate, it form a complete nucleotide. So all these building blocks, they are arranged in a proper pattern so that they contain a specific code for the synthesis of a particular biomolecule. And all these bases, they are arranged in a helical structure of DNA, and this structure of DNA we can manipulate further in gene manipulation. Now, after discussing the genome, we can briefly focus on what is gene. In molecular terms, we can define gene as the entire nucleic acid sequence that is necessary to produce functional end product that may be polypeptide chain, that is protein, or even RNA molecule.